There is something about a clean, unobstructed view of your hardware that just hits different, and this case leans into that aesthetic harder than almost anything else on the market right now. When you look at the GT502 Horizon, the first thing that grabs you is that seamless glass corner. It's not just a window, it's a full-on display case for your components. ASUS really went for that no-frame look, and honestly, it makes the whole build feel like a piece of modern art sitting on your desk. Now here is the thing about these panoramic cases. They usually struggle with airflow because of all that glass. But this one actually handles it pretty well. The dual-chamber design is the secret sauce here. By tucking the power supply and all those messy cables into the back chamber, the main area stays wide open for the CPU and GPU to breathe. It keeps the heat zones separate, which is a smart move if you're running high-end gear that tends to run a bit toasty. What stands out, though, is how much thought went into the build process. You don't need a screwdriver to pop the side panels off. There is a little button on the back that releases them instantly. It's one of those small quality-of-life features that you don't realize you need until you're constantly tinkering with your setup. And the whole thing is modular. If you want to move things around or strip it down to make installation easier, you can. It feels sturdy too. At 13 kilograms, it's got some serious weight to it, which is a nice change from those flimsy, budget-tier cases that rattle if you look at them wrong. The front I/O is exactly what you'd expect for a modern build, featuring a 10 Gbps USB Type-C port. It's fast, it's accessible, and it's right where you need it. But look, it's not perfect. Because it's so focused on that glass-heavy look, you're going to be doing a lot of dusting. If you're the type of person who hates seeing a single fingerprint or a speck of dust on your glass, this might drive you a little crazy. Also, while the modularity is great, the sheer size of this thing means it's going to take up a massive chunk of your desk space. You'll definitely want to measure your area before pulling the trigger. At the end of the day, this is for the builder who wants to show off their work. It's not trying to be a stealthy, hidden-away box. It's bold, it's spacious, and it makes cable management feel like less of a chore than usual. If you've got the desk space and you're proud of the hardware you've put together, this is a solid way to put it on display without sacrificing the cooling performance you actually need. It's a bit of a commitment, but for the right setup, it's a really impressive piece of kit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.